Having the best parts is just the beginning. We make it easy to order and find parts too. All thanks to the differential lookup tool on Transcend. Here's how it works. When you visit transcend.us, select By Differential here. Then enter year, make, model, and engine of the vehicle you're working on. Here's how our back-end application matching comes into play. The software does the work for you. Your search results show only the differential and driveline parts that fit the car you are working on. No guesswork, no phone calls. It's as simple as that. A Transcend account is free. Register today by visiting transcend.us/register/customer. Take 5% off your next order with the exclusive discount code GARAGE5.